Rebirth. By Ian T Sebàs. I crawled out from under the rock, where I once died. My last memory was rough, times were tough, constantly cold inside. Prayers went unanswered, although I begged and cried. A phase of long suffering before I finally closed my eyes. Suicide. But I've always valued life despite the pushbacks of my stride. Homicide. Was my life taken away, and my future denied? I woke up with a stirred sense of actuality. Not knowing if I simply slept or experienced a tragedy. Familiar faces were of a distant memory. But mutual acknowledgement confirmed our history. I recognized them more than they did me. They looked the same, but didn't know my name, my existence deemed a mystery. Holographic projections, never physically. They watch my rebirth, through a screen of virtual reality. Ian T Sebàs, copyright 2016.